In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Canva's AI tool in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. If you've ever needed a presentation for school, work, content creation, or a client project, this method can save you a huge amount of time because Canva can generate slides for you automatically. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Create button. This is where Canva lets you start a new design from different formats. Click on Create, and then from the menu, choose Presentations. This tells Canva that you want to build a slide deck instead of a social media graphic, document, or video. After that, click on Presentation. This opens the presentation workspace where Canva's AI tools can help you generate your slides. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can type in your topic. This is the most important part because the more clearly you describe what you want, the better the result will be. Type your topic and include the number of slides you want. For example, you could write something like create 3 slides on digital marketing or create 5 slides on the benefits of exercise. Once you enter your topic, click on Generate. Canva will begin creating the presentation for you based on your prompt. Now, depending on the complexity of your topic and the number of slides you requested, you may need to wait a few moments while Canva builds the draft. Give it a little time to finish generating and then review the options it creates. When the slides appear, select the version you want to use. Canva may give you a few design choices, so choose the one that best matches your topic and the style you want. After that, click on Apply All Pages if you want the entire presentation to use the generated design. This is really useful because it applies the layout across all of your slides at once, instead of editing each slide individually. Now, your presentation is ready for editing. This is where you can customize everything to make it look more polished and more personal. You can change the text, update the images, adjust the colors, replace icons, and refine the layout to match your brand or your assignment. If a slide needs more detail, you can add that. If something feels too busy, you can simplify it. Canva gives you full control after the AI creates the first draft. A great tip is to be specific with your prompt from the beginning. Instead of just typing a broad topic, include the slide count and a clear subject. For example, if you want a business presentation, say create 4 slides on social media marketing for small businesses. That helps Canva generate a more focused and useful result. The more structured your request, the better the presentation usually looks. You can also use this workflow for different types of presentations, whether you need a classroom slide deck, a pitch presentation, a training outline, or a content summary. That's what makes Canva's AI tool so helpful. It removes a lot of the starting stress and gives you a solid base to work from. Once you're happy with the design, just make your final edits and save or present it as needed. And that's it. You've now created a PowerPoint-style presentation using Canva's AI tool in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.